Alright, so I just left the gate. Got a GoPro up there. Got a GoPro right there. I got one on my forehead. This is the one that's out on the mirror. I did put it right there like I was talking about, but you couldn't see the trailer. So I had put in the mirror. I got it cabled, so hopefully it will stay. So we're gonna figure out where the record button is. Oh, it's right there. And we're gonna do a test. So that one is now recording. All right, sweet. So I'm probably gonna bounce in between the multiple camera views. Just gonna use this one for the recording aspect of it. Or the audio. Because that one's outside, so it's not gonna have good audio. I just wonder how good the video will be. That's kind of what this will be, because when I stop and do a 30-minute break, I might do that where I get picked up, where I'm picking up my load. So that way if there's something that I can do that would be better with my video, I'll have time to do that. Because I don't want to be doing that while I'm trying to drive, so of course not. I mean, that's obvious. So I want to get one over there on the passenger side too. And if you guys had tuned in for my live video feed earlier today, that was awesome. Now that GoPro is not charged, so I got a cord going to it right now. All right, that's actually a video, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the screen off. Because you're not supposed to have a video facing you while you're driving, even though it's a live video feed of that camera. Which the Federal Motor Safety Carrier thing, whatever, just came through with their approval saying that you can use a camera that is sending video feed to a device in the vehicle for purposes of a review or a side mirror. You're not required to have side mirrors if you're using a camera system. So I could use that in my benefit there if I really kind of wanted to. Not going to though, but an interesting thought that I could technically have the video going and call it a side mirror. Now, I didn't show the hooking up of this trailer. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use this video. I might not, I'm not sure. This is mostly like a test. I want to see how bad that's vibrating. I used a real GoPro mount and GoPro everything, so I'm hoping it doesn't vibrate that much. But that's actually not the GoPro 7, that's the 6. So it doesn't have that, you know, the stuff that the number 7 came out with. But I don't think it's gonna be too bad. I got it stuck on there pretty good. But I still got it cabled off just for safety. Oh man, my brakes are grabbing nice. You know, before they were kind of not the best. They're grabbing pretty good now. God, I really want to see what the video's looking like, especially when I'm turning to the left. You know, since the you can see the trailer swing out that side. Now the GoPro up here, I'm thinking about doing on a loop, so it just constantly records. So that way when someone does something really stupid, I can save it, put it to my YouTube channel. I've seen a couple accidents actually happen in front of me now. So I think that'd be kind of fun and interesting to do. But we will see. Dude, really? He was behind me, but then he decided to start creeping up on my edge there. Or at least I think so. I'll watch it on video. So I don't have that one going right now. I just have the side mirror in my forehead. And that one would be a lot of fun for going up through mountains. And then I kind of want to try to get one that's going on my dash, so you guys can see what I'm doing on the dash when I'm going down mountain passes. I'll try to do that before I go back to Texas though. I might have to get a chest mount for that. And I could use that one for like the grades and then have a dash view only. I don't know, I'll figure out something. I got a handlebar mount. I might be able to do like coming in through the side. That might work. Anyway, I'm head off to Illinois, and then after that I'll be head down to Texas, as you guys probably heard in my live video feed. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this one right here. If I do upload this, this will be one video. I'll have all the stuff that I'm going to do over at my pickup on a separate video, because that will show some backing, it will show some maneuvering, it will show a few things like that. But I'll probably use that one and that one. I probably won't use the headgear one. And I'm actually sitting here thinking I could probably use another GoPro. You know, have one there, one over there, and then my forehead one, so you guys, I don't know. These things are not cheap, but you guys want this content, I'm bringing it to you. Exit 69 is the one I need. 5 miles. Alright, anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Especially if you like that new camera setup. And let me know kind of where else you guys would like to have a camera put, and I'll see about doing that. Anyway, thank you for watching.